Roadmaps are pretty useful if you want to provide a step-by-step approach to learn something. And roadmap.sh has a good set of roadmaps for technology related stuff. Like you can see for learning front-end skills, there is a good roadmap out here which you can use to learn the front-end skills, like it says. Similarly, if you want to learn something else, then you have a bunch of roadmaps here. Now, what if you want to create your own roadmap? It can be for something that you teach, right? So if you want to do that, then roadmap.sh actually provides a tool to do that. You can use the create a new roadmap option, which lets you create a new roadmap. So let's see how you can use this. You can create an account or just use Google. I have an account, so I'll get logged in. And once I am in, then I can go back to the home page, which is like roadmap sh, and then click on create a new roadmap. Let's say a Java roadmap, and I'll just enter something in the description, and that's it. This brings me to this tool, a board, and here you can see different components that you can use to create a nice looking roadmap. So let me show you some examples, and then obviously you can do it on your own. So here I will just say Java roadmap, and I'll try to also bring in a component, call it like say object oriented principles, and you will see you'll it looks familiar, right? If you go to roadmap sh and you click on one of these roadmaps, for example front end, then you will see these are all topics, and then they have like subtopics, and to connect, like you have these lines as well, so you can use them. For example, this vertical line you can use to connect it to the next topic. I mean, you have pretty much all the ingredients that you need to create a nice looking roadmap. Let's say garbage collection. Now I'm just picking some examples, right? And this is just for illustrative purpose. So this is again a topic I've picked up, uh, and you can get rid of topic, you can have subtopics, title, legend, and you have pretty much all the components. So I hope you get an idea of how to go about and create a roadmap, and it shouldn't be difficult to create something similar. So I hope this is helpful and you utilize and create roadmaps, and all the best for your next roadmap. Thanks for watching.